Hey friends, if Windows plus Spacebar is not working in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So here's the thing. What is this combination used for Windows plus Spacebar? This is used to change between input languages, but you need to have more input languages for that. So we'll go to time and language and we'll select language and region, and then we will click on add more languages, and then we will add languages. For example, let's say we added Danish. Okay, so we can add it here, and then we can try Windows plus spacebar to change it, and you saw that it popped up here. Now we can change it to Danish. So this is the reason is that if we have multiple versions of English, it doesn't consider that a different language. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.